Hello everyone, welcome to Dental Shots. Today we are going to revise Viva questions in general medicine. The ratio of casein to albumin. What is the ratio of casein to albumin in human milk? Ratio is 1:1. In the human milk, the ratio of casein to albumin is 1:1. Next question. One egg yields dash kilocalories of energy. It produces 70 kilocalories of energy. Then the number of tablets of iron with folic acid is given to pregnant women, as we all know. How many tablets, total of how many tablets of iron with folic acid is given to a pregnant lady by a healthcare worker? 100. The answer is 100 tablets. Then what is known as poor man's meat? Pulses are called poor man's meat. Which is the commonest sexually transmitted disease in India? It is gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is the most common sexually transmitted disease in India. In achondroplasia, what type of inheritance is found out? It is autosomal dominant mode of inheritance is found in achondroplasia. What is the incidence rate of Down syndrome? It is 1 in 700. There is an incidence rate of Down syndrome. The percentage of neutrophils, that is polymorpholeukocytes, which shows bar bodies in females, is 3%. 3% PMNs, that is neutrophils, which show bar bodies in females. Okay. What is the karyotype of Turner syndrome? Karyotype is XO. Karyotype is XO in Turner syndrome. Which is the most common trisomy? Down syndrome. Then in osteogenesis imperfecta, what are the pathognomonic features? Blue sclera, deafness and multiple fractures are the pathognomonic features of osteogenesis imperfecta. Infection of the terminal pulp infection is called as Phelon. The answer is Phelon. The infection in the terminal pulp infection is called Phelon. Then the technique where the radiation from outside the patient is called teletherapy. So when you use a radiation from outside the patient, then you call it as teletherapy. The technique where the irradiation from outside the patient is called as teletherapy. Next, saddleback type of temperature is seen in which fever? Saddleback type of temperature is seen in which fever? Is seen in dengue fever. Then Wernicke's encephalopathy is due to the deficiency of which vitamin? Thiamine. Okay. Wernicke's encephalopathy is due to the deficiency of the vitamin thiamine. When you see a triad of glossitis, angular fissure and corneal vascularization, this is due to the deficiency of which vitamin? Riboflavin. If the riboflavin is deficient, then you have a triad of manifestation like glossitis, angular fissures and corneal vascularization. Then diarrhea, dementia, dermatitis. 3 Ds. If it is seen, then it would be a deficiency of niacin. Niacin, 3 deficiencies, that is all starts with D: diarrhea, dementia and dermatitis. Then causative organism in subacute bacterial endocarditis is Streptococcus viridans. Streptococcus viridans is responsible for the subacute bacterial endocarditis. The causative organism of acute bacterial endocarditis. This previous question was subacute. If it is subacute, then the answer would be Streptococcus viridans. If it is acute bacterial endocarditis, the answer is Staphylococcus aureus. Acute bacterial endocarditis is due to the Staphylococcus aureus. Subacute bacterial endocarditis is due to the Streptococcus viridans. Then bradycardia is the resting pulse dash per minute. So how many pulse would we say as bradycardia? Less than 60 beats per minute would be called as bradycardia. Less than 60 beats per minute is called bradycardia. What is cardinal sign of myocardial infarction? Pain. Cardinal sign of myocardial infarction is pain. Then Progressive lengthening of successive PR intervals followed by a dropped beat is called dash phenomenon. Wenckebach's phenomenon. Wenckebach's phenomenon is the progressive lengthening of PR interval followed by a missed beat is called Wenckebach's phenomenon. Then, which is called Widow's artery? Which coronary artery is called Widow's artery? Left anterior descending coronary artery. Left anterior descending coronary artery, LAD. Okay, remember as LAD. Left anterior descending coronary artery is called a Widow's artery. Spitting of blood is called hemoptysis. Spitting of blood is called hemoptysis. Vomiting of blood is called hematemesis. Okay, it's all different. The Viva question would be, if it is spitting, that is hemoptysis. When it is vomiting, then it is called hematemesis. The passage of blood through stools is called melena. Melena. When you pass a stools, if there is a blood, then it is called melena. Increased respiratory rate is called tachypnea. Increased respiratory rate is called tachypnea. Breathing accompanied by conscious effort is called dyspnea. The breathing accompanied by the conscious effort, you tend to consciously put an effort to do breathing, then it is called dyspnea. Okay. The drug of choice for the tropical pulmonary eosinophilia is, when you have a pulmonary eosinophilia, tropical, then you can use diethyl carbamazepine. Diethyl carbamazepine. Tidal volume in adult is how much? 500 ml. Tidal volume in adult is 500 ml. Normal pulse respiration ratio is 4:1. Ratio of pulse and respiration is 4:1. 4 pulse, 1 respiratory rate. Okay, 4:1. The most common early symptom of bronchial asthma is cough. The first symptom is cough for the bronchial asthma. I hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button over there and give a comment below if you need more Viva Voice question and answer sessions. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless you all.